Hi sir, I am Nagalakshmi. Now I am going to talk about the inspirational life story of well-known business magnate who is H. Vasantakumar, known for being the founder of Vasant & Co. In this video, I am going to discover how he is successful in his business field. Vasantakumar is one of the many crore of people who came in search of survival. Born into an ordinary family in Agatheswaram, a very small town near Nagarkoil. His father has no large assets. Graduation is only possible in the father's labor. He completed his postgraduate studies in distance education on his own income. Later he came to Chennai in search of work. The job was not easily available to the visitor. The days went by as a hunger and poverty, but the search did not stop. Got a job at BJP company. After 8 years as an employee at BJP, gradually developed into a salesman, shop in charge and manager with his tireless work and services. A friend gave Vasantakumar, who was ready to work his old shop for 6 months. That's where Vasant & Co. Vasant & Co started selling wire chairs. Purchase, sales, chit funds, all are the same. Vasantakumar's successful journey started from there by giving 22 rupees for a chit fund. Gradually, the bureau begins to sell in installments as a coach. He took a loan from a bank and started expanding his installment empire into radio and tape recorder. It was at the time that television set foot in Tamil Nadu. The journey of success that began as a record in television sales spread like wildfire and spread across India in the next 10 years. Competitions as a different kind program innovations of credit to customer on the handover factories, government offices, private offices, whatever the middle class lived people introduced the installment plan and boost sales, gave the good improvements. Poor in the midst of all this labor, helping the education of school children and always letting go was done Vasantakumar. He has keen interest in sports. Him earlier, within days of formation of the Wallis Club started game, the players was encouraging, which started at just 22 rupees on Vasant & Co. is today the largest company in with a turnover of over 1,000 crore rupees, setting an example and incorporates. It was due to H. Vasantakumar only the individual's passions and hard work. The young man who conquered dreams, born an honest politician who worked for the country and the people. For his hard work in pointing out the triumphs, he has taken us the man of record who has achieved a new strategy to complete the multinational corporations as a business genius. Hi Vasantakumar to countless youth today example.
I inspire by him good qualities such as hard work, decision making, self-confidence, business creativity, commitments. I learn from him how to handle the problems, some particular situations, how to make the decisions and solve the problem.